Back here, starting part 3. Well, you can see I decided to try to play artist. I think my clouds look crappy. uh, I don't think that's going to stay that way. I'm probably going to paint over that and start over. But I was trying to be artistic and it didn't work. But you can see I did put down a dirt color here on the base to start off with, just so that I just wanted a dirt color. And I painted this border black and thought I'd start off with that. You're going to get this in bits and pieces. If I look like I'm on to something that looks creative, I will be back with another video, as we go. Back again. I decided to cut up a cereal box and start making myself a template for an idea for a warehouse. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take, pause. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the wall and I'm going to put it about halfway over, because I thought this thing here was just a little too, the platform that I found here. It was an old Tyco, from a Tyco kit from somewhere. All right, and I just thought it was a little too big. So what I decided to do is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a building here. Cereal box. That's going to be the roof, kind of. All right, just give you an idea. Now I'm going to make a little roof down here. You're going to have 2 doorways going in. I figured I'd put a scene in there, put a scene inside, make, some boxes or something stacked up inside. Make it look a little more 3D, you know what I mean? Have the train car sitting here. And, go from there. The Not Bad Company, maybe, huh? The Not Bad Company of Indian Head Valley. I like it. I have to get my daughter to make signs to go across there, huh? Alrighty. So, moving on. We're making progress here. Okay? Back in a bit. Just wanted to get you pieces by piece. And all I did was take an old cardboard box to use as a template. And it ain't going to be made out of cardboard. This is just a template. Okay? But what's nice about that is I can use it. I can use this and whatever I come down to my final idea. Right now, if I don't like it, I can just go get me another cereal box. Yeah, my wife will have to put the cereal in Tupperware. So, anyhow, I thought that would be a good idea, and I stole that idea from Vinny. Thank you, Vinny. So, I do watch your shows. So, anyhow, all right. I'll be back when I come up with other brainstorm. All right. There, I got a basic structure there set up. I think this is the way it's going to look too. I made it. Let me get a pencil here so that you can see what I'm doing. All right. I have a general area here to unload and load the train cars. And I made a walkway here, and I'm going to put a man door back in here, so it'll be a walkway for the man door. And maybe I ain't considered exactly how big a, cargo doors we're going to have going in. And then I want to make a roof of some sort right here, about halfway up. And that will be the building. Trying to think up with some good names. The Indian Head Valley, whatever. So, or the not bad feed mill or something. We'll think of something good, huh? Put on there, and maybe I'll get my daughter to print it up so that we can put it across there nicely. Huh? So, this is a start at it. We'll go from there.